Welcome back to Trading with CJ. Today we have a very quick update on HCMC. You guys know we've been waiting for the rights offering to expire and we're waiting on the judge's lawsuit. And of course, guys, today the time is up. HCMC, for many brokerages out there, the time is up if you was looking to get into the rights offering, okay? Remember, we had this little notification from a HCMC reminder that the rights offering expires on June the 10th, okay? For many brokerages out there. Some expired way before this. Some was June the 4th. You can see TD Waterhouse, Fidelity, and TD Ameritrade, E-Trade. Most of them were June the 8th, okay? Interactive Brokers, June the 10th as well. So all of these have now expired. We're going to wait to see exactly how many was taken up. There was oversubscription, etc. in this one, and see exactly where we go from here forward. Many people think this is going to be a catalyst for shooting this price up and down. It probably won't make much difference, to be honest, in the grand scheme of things. HCMC is a volatile company anyway. But to be honest, for the last month or so, it's been trading a bit more sideways. We can see here the HCMC current price is 0.0014. Okay, and that's pretty much been where it's been for the last few videos that we spoke about HCMC, okay? And in the last 5 days, it was been between the 1.5 and the 1.3 range. So it hasn't been moving too crazy. A long while ago now, since those highs of about 65, okay? However, you know, let's see how much this is going to move it. Will this move it at all? Probably not. What will move it is the judge's ruling on the motion to dismiss. And very quickly, if you appreciate all these updates, please go ahead and smash a like and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, time is up. If you didn't take part in the offering, no worries, okay? It's not the end of the world. You're only going to get 25% for every 1 in every 4 shares that you held, which, to be honest, like I said before many times, this can drop 25% in a day. It is a penny stock. We've seen it drop that price before. Maybe not for quite a while now, but it has done that. So really that could wipe out your discount anyway in just a day. But nevertheless, if you're looking to build on this position, this was a great time to take advantage. Somebody here on Reddit has asked, outstanding shares about to increase. Where are the shares for the rights offering coming from? Are they shares that already existed and belong to HCMC? Or are we about to see the OS grow by another 75 billion? And somebody has replied here, which is one I would go for as well. Yes, the outstanding shares are raising OS by potentially another 75 billion shares, depending on how many this offering sells. I'm not sure it's going to sell as much as we think, but let's wait and see, okay? At the end of the day, HCMC will have 375 billion shares issued, up from the current 307 billion already issued. So it's got a lot of shares out there, okay? And we know that this is one, that's why the price is so low. The market cap is kind of, 430 million, but with the price of 0.0014, that's why there's so many shares out there on the market. So for those of you who are saying why this is so cheap, just because it's got a lot of noughts in front of it doesn't necessarily mean a company is cheap. Just bear that in mind anyway. Very quickly on their Twitter, they just gave us a little tweet here about their basically Father's Day. Okay, celebrate the great men in your life. Vitaminstore.com has the perfect vitamins. Okay, just giving you 10% off. They do actually at this at hello HCMC followers. They could be a bit more diverse, broaden this out to anybody. Okay, just because you're not following this company doesn't mean you can't take advantage of this 10% off on Father's Day. But yeah, definitely could boost their market a bit more anyway. But other than that, we haven't had a lot from them on their Twitter front. They tend to be a bit more stagnant with that. They tend to put out a bit of a tweet every now and again on that front anyway. But I do want to remind you guys that this is still one of the hot stocks, okay? Yes, it might not be moving as much. Yes, many people might not be talking about it as much now. But Trading 212 is a UK brokerage which finally allowed us to buy into the rights offering. We had about a week or so to be able to do that. But you can see here, this is the 212 hot list. And Healthy Choices Management still sits firmly in position number 4, okay? Over 85,000 holders. It's the 4th most popular stock being held on Trading 212, beating Amazon and even the S&P 500, the index right there. So it's still very much popular. Just because maybe not as many people are buying into this one, they're still holding this one. So a lot of people still have interest in this. So potentially this rights offering could have had a big uptake. Now, just to round off here on the lawsuit, as we spoke about every video, I like to keep you guys in check and informed with what's going on with that. And to be honest, the last few updates, we haven't had much on the lawsuit front, and it remains the same, okay? We go on to Pace and Monitor, we can still see 19th of April was our motion to dismiss being filed to the judge, okay? If you're not familiar with what's going on, we are still waiting on the judge's ruling on the motion to dismiss. We have no exact time frame for when this could be. We didn't expect it to be as long as this, but right now anything is possible. It literally could come out tomorrow. we could see this come out tomorrow and have a massive catalyst, or it could come out in another couple of months. We really don't know how long this will take, but one thing for sure is when that comes out, it will be a catalyst for this company, good or bad, okay? If it rules in a negative favor and this case gets dismissed, we know what's going to happen to HCMC. It's going to go down because a lot of people are going to sell out, because that is the majority of reasons why people are holding in for the lawsuit. However, if he does rule on this motion to go to court, I don't know if this will shoot the price up, because that's what we're all hoping for anyway. We already hope this is going to go to court, and we already hope there's going to be a settlement or some sort, or just straight up HCMC win the case. That's what we're hoping for. So I'm not sure it will see a massive green day, but who knows right now. You know, the market is unpredictable at the best of times, as you guys know. But anyway, just a quick one today on the rights offering. The time is up. Let's have a look and see the next update on how many people took advantage. Did this get oversubscribed, etc. Definitely interested to see if anybody really took advantage of this 25%. Was it much of a discount? Who knows? Time will tell. But if you appreciate all these updates, please go ahead and smash the like and subscribe to my channel as well. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.